So Motorola has been dropping hints about the Motorola Edge 50 Pro for a while now, and the official word is out. It's set to hit the shelves on April 3rd. Now, let's delve into what makes this smartphone stand out from the crowd. First off, powering this beast is the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, which made its debut back in November 2023. With a Cryo 715 prime core clocked at 2.63 GHz and a combination of Cryo 715 gold and 510 silver cores, this chipset brings serious performance to the table. And with Qualcomm Fast Connect 6700 on board, you're getting lightning-fast Wi-Fi 6/6E and Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity. Moving on to the display, you get a gorgeous 6.7-inch OLED curved screen, boasting a crisp 1.5K resolution and a silky smooth 144 Hz refresh rate. Plus, with Pantone-validated colors, expect nothing short of true-to-life visuals, including authentic skin tones. But Motorola isn't stopping there. They're bringing some serious AI magic into play. Prepare to be impressed by generative AI-powered theming, offering a wide array of wallpapers curated by top artists across 15 genres. And AI has also been implemented in cameras like AI adaptive stabilization for smoother videos. Now, let's zoom in on the cameras. Up front, you'll find a hefty 50MP autofocus selfie camera, perfect for snapping those Instagram-worthy shots. Flip it around, and you'll discover a rear camera sporting an impressive f1.4 aperture, reportedly the widest in its segment. What does this mean for you? Well, more light means better portrait shots with that desirable background blur. And let's not forget about style. Motorola isn't just about tech, they're about aesthetics too. The Edge 50 Pro boasts a sleek metallic frame and a back clad in silicone-based vegan leather. Plus, straight out of the box, you'll be rocking Android 14 with a promise of 3 major Android updates, keeping you in the loop until Android 17 rolls around. Oh, and what about charging? Get ready to juice up your device in no time with 50-watt fast wireless charging, a feature that's claimed to be a first in its segment according to Motorola. So, there you have it, the Motorola Edge 50 Pro, a smartphone that's not just about specs, but a perfect blend of power, style, and tech. Stay tuned for April 3rd because this one's going to make waves. Peace out.